Today we will be playing a game called Driving Empire. Okay, so let's play. And please subscribe to my channel. Alright, go and check my future channels also, subscribe to them also, they are my classmates. Okay, let's play. I already the volume for in the game. Settings. Okay. Okay, the game is loaded. So I actually sold all my cars, which is sellable, and then I bought a new car. You guys might not see that thing, but because I didn't record it. Okay, this is the car. This is one of my car. I got it from somewhere else over. And the chair, this one also very nice car. See? I think the thing is loading. Okay, one more car is this Pill 500. The real name is Pill 500 something. I'm not sure. This one has three wheels. Very nice. This has another like a white body, the ricey white body. I'm going to try to buy it. Right? Okay, so this is the car that I told. So this has like a fender thing on this side, so that needs like 14,000. So I'm just saving money now. So I want to go somewhere. The wings also is moving. So let me see. Go here. Let's go. We can change. You wanna go time trial also can. This has a strong brake. got 17. Oh yeah, that means I can now. I know. Wait on. Now I can oh no. Yeah, now I can customize it. There we go. After this customizing, I'm gonna end the video, okay? Because I don't have the video too long, because you guys might have a lot of work too. The next video I'll make it very long, okay? Okay, so appearance, body kits, feathers. So it just adds like a thing to it. I'm gonna purchase. Spoilers. Oh, can add like carbon. I don't have a lot of money, so I need to go and buy. I'm gonna add another wrap. You can't see it. No, I'll show you. Okay, see, in you see this, it adds like a thing to it. Okay, I'm gonna change back. Okay, I will end the video. So please subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.